In today's video, I'm going to teach you create your email campaign. Before we dive in, make sure your contacts are set up and organized into lists or segments. Clean data will make everything else smoother, from personalization to deliverability. To begin, head to Marketing, then Campaigns, and choose Create Campaign. Select email as your campaign type. Give your campaign a clear internal name so your team recognizes it at a glance later, something like November newsletter or spring promo. Clear naming helps you stay organized as your library grows. Next, configure your settings. Choose the sender you've already set up so your emails come from a trusted identity. For recipients, pick the lists or segments you want to target. If there are groups you don't want included, use the exclude option to keep them out. This is especially useful for suppressing recent purchasers or internal test contacts. Craft your subject line and preview text with your audience in mind. Aim for clarity and relevance first, then add personality. If your platform supports it, personalize with contact variables like hash or contact first name to make each email feel tailored. Keep preview text intentional. It should complement the subject, not repeat it. Think of it as a second chance to earn the open. When you're ready to build, click Start Designing. You can pick a pre-designed template for a quick start, use a saved template if you've established a look, or build from scratch if you want full control. Templates save time and help keep your brand consistent across campaigns. Inside the editor, use drag and drop content blocks like text, images, buttons, and even videos to structure your message. Click any element to edit it directly. Use the style options to set colors, fonts, and spacing so everything feels cohesive. If you have a brand library configured, apply your logo, color palette, and typography to maintain consistency without reinventing the wheel each time. Before you send or to schedule, take a moment to review. Scan for typos, verify every link, and ensure images have alt text. Preview on mobile and desktop to confirm it looks great everywhere. Send a quick test to yourself or a teammate to catch anything you might have missed. Finally, choose whether to send now or schedule for later. If you schedule, double-check the date, time, and time zone to match your audience's location. Confirm your recipient lists, exclusions, sender, subject, and preview one last time, then launch with confidence. That's it, your email campaign is ready to go.